Smith opening up a can of musical fruit.
We got the tunes.
You'll be tooting later on. Look. Flies. Anyway, very much so enjoying ourselves after getting really warm out. It's freaking awesome. I'm glad that you took this.
You think you're warm now? I think it'll be like after all the hiking you know.
Oh yeah. I'm glad you took the screen tent. We'd be eat to death. And besides that too, now where the sun's coming out.
Bit of shade.
Bit of shade, yeah. Anyway, we're getting ready to have a feed of musical fruit, as we call it. What it is to have a gourmet chef with us.
Yeah.
Just look.
It is.
Oh.
And the only ones to use is the organic sausages.
The organic sausages, yeah. Or Chris calls them hoofs and snouts. There you go, look. Oh, that's really doctoring up our meal, right? That's making it elegant.
It's all in the finishing touches, right?
Wow. Well, see what I've learned today?
You gotta have a taste of it raw just to make sure it's good. Jiffy, man. First thing you gotta do is fix the package because somebody don't know how to open it is. Where's Murph to when you need some?
Jiffy Pop popcorn. A Larry Smith special.
Gotta have it.
Oh.
Oh.
Can I check the temperature on my app? No, it doesn't come with an app.
You put that on there till it burns.
Yeah. Was it a Newfie fire alarm? Was it? No, smoke detector. A Newfoundland smoke detector. How does this work? Anyway, thank God the wind changed and the flies have finally left us. It was bad for a while. All you gotta do is look at my hands. Holy frig.
No flies around me.
No flies on you. It's the saying used to go, isn't it?
I'm not sure why they're around you, but it wasn't me.
A Larry Smith special. I think every time that you and me over the years have ever went anywhere, there's always been Jiffy Pop popcorn.
Most of the time.
Even down in Pikey's old shack years ago.
Gee.
There's pictures of that.
I suppose you got video of Murph eating it.
Trying to.
Yeah, the problem he couldn't open his mouth before the hand got there.
One of these nights we got to go over to Chris's because Chris never ever seen those videos when we were down the Gander Pond. Chris would do some laughing at that, but
I thought it's hard to believe he'd never seen none of them.
no. Aha! The masterpiece. Ta-da! Yeah. Look at that.
It's ta-da events. But anyway, well,
I just checked that on my app. Try it out.
hang on.
Boy, you're some cook.
I'm a chef. There could have been some more pop, but I didn't want to burn too many.
There you go.
Gourmet food.
Look at that. Hello, Mope Smith.
Hello, shitters.
Oh, shit legs. Anyway, she's a damp one. I'm not talking about my underwear. Anyway, well, we had a great all night. Great little trip. It was about 6:30, I suppose, huh? Sunday morning.
Things never change. Me doing all the work and somebody else making.
Oh, well, you know, someone's got to be keeping it for the future generations to watch. This is how you does nothing. You watch your buddy do everything. Exhaust let go on the car yesterday. I guess it's that resonator pipe up front that I had replaced before. Anyway, she's gone again now. She's rather loud. Flies were pretty bad yesterday, but then the wind changed around, and then anyway, it got much better after. First trip with the EcoFlow. Still at 91%. Charged the phone a bunch of times because I guess there was no signal. It was continuously searching for network. Charged a bunch of things and had the lights going. Anyway, shows 51 hours still remaining. There, like that. We're just getting stuff hauled down now. Took apart, getting ready to load up the car. No big rush.